Figma, Canva, After Effects. We all know them, but there is one motion app honestly nobody is talking about. And it can even replace half of your annoying animation workflow this week. Stay with me, I will build a quick YouTube hook, show 4 hidden gems, and give you the exact justified stack to ship faster. If you ever opened After Effects to animate one line of text and then cursed yourself for losing an entire afternoon, you are not alone. Designers are juggling static comps, motion shots, client demos, and added assets. And too many tools is equal to slower. What if you could animate like a pro in your own browser? With a simple timeline, one-click text presets, and export options for both vertical and transparent overlays. That's the sweet spot we are hitting today. Meet Jitter, a web motion design tool built for designers, not for the animators. It's fast, template-driven, and it plays nicely with Figma. So let me give you a quick demo of it.
So first thing, I'm going to create a new project. So here is the interface of Jitter. Let's close this up and let's name the file as, and now I'm going to pick a headline so that we can add the text. Now I'm going to type stop scrolling, design smarter. So that's my headline, and now I'm going to change the font. Let's see. Yeah, I got the font, and let's make it a bit bold so that now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the animation to the text we have added. Now I'm going to click new animation. From here you can select many different animations of the text. So let's pick any of these. Let's pick this one. As you can see, it plays very nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add an shape. From here I can change the color, this one, and let's duplicate this, choose another color like this. Now I'm going to duplicate both of these layers, and from Animate I'm going to do animation. Let's see what we got here. So we have this, apply it to this one, and the same animation applied to this one. So let's move the timelines so they come all together. I guess this one, yeah. So all is looking really good. Also now I want to change the size of this to a vertical size. Now let's click Ctrl D on my keyboard, and I'm going to change the size to something different. From here you can also select different sizes. I'm going to manually put 1080 by 1920, and that way I can have it. If I try to make it bigger, now let's try to see. Perfect. So you can see you can make many different animations from here. Now from here you can export it into different formats. Now I'm going to choose this one. Yep, we can download the video and it's done. So that's how simple it is to use Jitter. And also you can browse out different templates they have. So you can see there are many different projects over here. You can simply come edit the text for all of these words and it will be done. That's how simple it is to use Jitter.
Pro tips: use text by word for countdown CTAs, elastic easing for premium feel, and export a WebM with alpha to layer our footage in Premiere Pro or CapCut. In the runner-up one, we have Lunacy, quick pitch, and why it pairs with Jet. If you need a fast offline editor with built-in assets, Lunacy is the go-to. It's signed by Icons 8 and ships with our 1.5 million icons, photos, and illustration. And it is actually perfect for preparing for the assets for animations. Use Lunacy to build thumbnails, extract icons, and polish before you animate a Jitter. Next, we have UI Zerd. If you want idea into prototype in minutes, UI Zerd Auto Designer can spin multiple screen editable wireframes from text or a sketch. It is great for client editation or rapid concepting. The runner-up 3 we have Google Stitch. Now meet Stitch from Google Labs. Prompt to UI that can output the front-end code and Figma export. If you are experimenting with design to code hands-off, Stitch is worth testing while it's evolving. For early mood boarding, Google's Mixboard is an AI concepting canvas that generates imagery, color palettes, and layouts from the prompts. It is fast inspiration in ideation phase. So here is the exact stack I would use this week. UI Zerd to sketch rapid ideas, Lunacy to polish assets and grab icons, Jitter to animate the hook and overlays, Stitch to test design code for one screen if you need a prototype. That combo actually covers ideation to assets assets to motion and motion to code. So guys, if you want a deep tutorial, which one do you want first? Jitter Motion deep dive, Unity assets, workflow, UI Z prototyping, or stitch design to code? Comment below if this helped you. Like and subscribe so other creators find this. Links to everything I showed are the description below, and please hit that subscribe button. See you next time with more design shortcuts and new AI tools. Have a great day. Bye.